Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're gonna be making this delicious chicken and vegetable pie. Please keep watching to see how I make, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So for my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watch my video. I really appreciate. So let's get started. So first we're going to be preparing the pie crust. For that we need 2 cups of flour, and I'm adding some salt, and I'm going to mix it well. And in other hand, I have my butter is 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm going to be adding in small pieces. The reason why I'm adding in small pieces is because, as you guys know, the butter is really sticky. So if you're gonna put at once, it's going to be in one place, and to get it together it's gonna take long. So I prefer this way. And also I add half, and then I'm mixing. I'm going to add another half when this is well cooperated. So I'm adding another half, and I'm going to be continue mixing until it comes together. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm gonna be adding my ice water, and you don't add too much. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons first and mix it. I'm going to be adding like little by little until the flour comes together. We don't want flour to be soft, okay? You have to take your time when you're making this, guys. You don't have to rush, because this part is very important. So just take your time and you'll get there. So this is how the dough should be, not soft or smooth. So now I'm going to divide the dough in 4 balls, so that it's going to be easy for me to flatten. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the dough in the plastic bags and keep in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, now that we've done with the dough, we're going to be preparing the sauce. So this ingredient that we're going to be using for our sauce, we got 1 medium chopped onion, 1.5 cup of mixed vegetable, 1 glass of chicken broth, and here I've got 1 cup of boiled chicken. This is a garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon. Here I've got my oregano, and 1 cup of milk, oil for cooking, and 2 tablespoons of plain flour, black pepper, and salt. Okay, here's my pot already hot. I'm adding oil and I'm going to be adding onion and fry for about 1 or 2 minutes. We just have to fry until it's soft, not brown, just fry until it's soft. Okay. Okay, the onion is soft now. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of plain flour, which is going to help us to thickening our sauce. So we're going to fry for about 1 minute. It's been 1 minute already, so I'm adding my chicken broth, and I'm gonna add also my 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk that you have, doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna wait until it start boiling. Okay, now it's boiling. I'm gonna be adding garlic powder. This is 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt, and I'm going to be adding also my dry oregano and mix it well. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my vegetables and also the chicken. Okay, now I'm going to be mixing and cook for 2 minutes because this gravy is too runny and we need a really thick gravy. So I'm going to wait until it's nicely boiling. Okay, the sauce is done. It's nice and thick. This is how it should be. I'm gonna just put in the bowl and set aside. We're going to leave the sauce to cool down while we are preparing our pie crust. So guys, the reason why I make small bowls like this, it's because I'm gonna be using a small pan. So if you are using a bigger pan, you have to divide it in 2 only. Yeah, you have to make it big sizes, big bowls. So this is what I'm gonna be using to bake my pie. You must remember, whatever you're gonna be using to bake your pie, the crust have to be more bigger than the tray that you're gonna be using. So I was just measuring if it's a perfect size, but it's a bit smaller, so I'm stretching more my dough to fit nicely. Okay, I'm done now. I'm going to fit in the pie crust. You have to make sure it's nicely packed. You know, press it down in the corners to make sure it's well packed and it is sitting nicely. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be putting the sauce in. Okay, to cover on top, we're going to flatten another dough. On this point, guys, it's almost done. If you want plain, you just have to flatten your dough and you cover on top and seal on the side and you bake. It's done. But if you want designs, well, it's up to you guys. So I'm going to be trying something here. Just keep watching to see what design I'm gonna be making. Okay guys, to start with designing my crust, I'm gonna be cutting in stripes like so. And I'm going to line up these stripes on top of my pie. So guys, the crust that I prepared, it's finished. I'm gonna be cutting another one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and peg these stripes in here, so keep watching to see how I'm doing. Okay, we're done now. I'm going to be cutting the crust that is hanging over there and seal on the sides. Okay, we're done with the decoration and stuff. Now I'm going to be cracking one egg and apply on top of our pie to give a glow when it's ready. Okay guys, our pie is done. Now we just have to rub the eggs on top and we have to bake in 200-degree oven until it's a light golden on top. Okay, here we are, our pie is done, and the biscuit is the dough that was left, and I didn't want to waste it. I make these little biscuits. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, share and comment down below what you guys think about this recipe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.